Well, hello again, Internet. Rob and Corinne here, and you're watching Man vs. Corinne vs. Pin.
It's been a while. It's been a minute. And here we are at the craft store.
Also known as the crap store, because most of this crap you don't really need.
Yep, there they are. Look at everybody cramming in there to get their little fucking holiday decor. Look at that family right there. Oh, you are gonna get all the decorations.
Normally, we do a gingerbread house building competition, and we thought that would just be a little too stressful this year. So instead, we're gonna make gingerbread people.
But not just any people. We are going to be making ourselves gingerbread YouTubers.
What?
Boom.
So who's on the list?
That's all to be.
That's all to be determined.
Yeah.
You're just so much better at decorating cookies than I am.
Oh. Which is why I'm gonna kick your ass in this Man vs. Corinne vs. Pin.
I think we should work as a team.
Let's get started, shall we?
Hey!
What kind of dance is that?
The spending your money dance.
Whoa.
I'm really in the holiday spirit.
No,
You want a piece of me? I'm really in the holiday spirit.
No.
Ooh, look at these. These are cute. We need these for something? What do we need those for? Something. I'm really in the holiday spirit.
Here.
Oh, I definitely need that. Yeah, we definitely need one for Christine. I'm not even joking. Well, that was a crapshoot. We ended up with a bunch of crap that we didn't actually need. Speaking of which, I kind of need to go into this store over here real quick. I think you should just wait in the car.
What?
Yeah, you're definitely not gonna want to see what happens in there. Here, just take the stuff and...
What the hell am I supposed to do now? Alright, while Corinne goes and spends all of our money, it's time for me to make more of it, I guess. And let you know that this episode is being sponsored by Best Fiends Stars.
Happy holidays indeed.
You know Best Fiends, we've been playing it for years around here, and they just came out with a brand new game called Stars, and what better time than to play it than right now. This game, classic Best Fiends. It's got the stars, it's got the gold, it's got the diamonds, the whole thing. That's a crazy move right there. Killing it over here. Perfect move. Damn, Slugmageddon. Goals complete. I'm on level 42. Don't know how I got there, but that happened rather quickly. Where are you? Did you even start yet? Maybe we can play together. I don't know. They actually have this new little thing on there where you could find people and play with each other.
I don't think you should be playing with each other.
Hey, Corinne's back.
I'm just over here playing Best Fiends.
Oh yeah, we're just parked here at the Michael's craft store parking lot playing Best Fiends.
You got me addicted to it.
Yeah. You can download Stars for free using the link in the description below. It's right down there. Click on that. That'll take you to where you need to be. All right, where are we off to next?
The next crap store.
Here we go. Craft store number 2. Here we are. That's a nice shot coming in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do we need hats?
Oh dear, I think I need this. I think you need this one.
What?
For the elf of it.
Oh, there they are. There's all the YouTubers.
But I want to make my own gingerbread.
Stupid.
It's
a stupid idea.
We definitely need black for Sophia's clothing. White is a standard must.
Yeah. Oh, we need a lot of pink.
Jeffree Star really likes pink. We have to get blue because that's Christine's favorite color.
Holy cow. Jesus Christ.
You're not gonna help me?
No. This is too fun.
Great. These lines are always very long. Solid time to play Best Fiends.
Look at this line. What else are you gonna do in this line? You know what I mean?
Tape it to the limit.
Jesus Christ, $190.
That's why we need that Best Fiends money.
It is.
Spending all our YouTube money on craps.
Crap.
Holy craps.
Holy craps.
And we're home again. First thing I'm gonna do is get our gingerbread cookie dough made because that gotta sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. And while that's happening, I'm gonna do a couple practice runs because my art skills, they're not the best. And if we're gonna beat Rob in this competition, I need to practice.
All right, so I'm not going for baking this bullshit. I got my gingerbread men pre-prepared. This is kind of what I'm thinking for my YouTubers here. First off, recreating this year's classic duo, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. And will we ever be able to live down the Jake Paul and Tana Montague wedding? Probably not.
So I've spent the last few hours making dough, conceptualizing my shapes, drawing the shapes out, cutting them out of the dough, and baking them. That all took quite some time.
Yeah.
And now Rob just gets to stroll in with his pre-made cookies and try to win this competition.
You didn't have to do all that.
I did. I needed a banana shape. We got Christine, the sock queen, Jenna Marbles.
That's what that is.
I was gonna make it into a basketball because she does have a basketball game on Friday. We got Sophia, we got Glozell because she's one of my favorite OG YouTubers and she loves bread. I love bread. So she has to be turned into a gingerbread person. I've also made everyone's cats. We got Krusty, who I burnt slightly. So that kind of works for Krusty because he's crusty. Yeah, I think just based on how much effort I put into this, I should win already.
You know, I think that the power couple of the year, by far, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I'm gonna put them in a little tracksuit, little Jeffree Star tracksuit. Give them a little purse.
I mean, they do look pretty good so far. I'm not gonna lie. This is not my area of expertise. Cutting them out, baking them, love that part. Decorating with icing, I'm not so good at that. I'm actually having a really freaking hard time over here.
Here, hold on, let me help you.
Oh, you get closer. You don't start up here with it and just do this. Oh, that does work better.
Yeah.
That works a lot better.
Yeah, a lot closer.
Yeah, okay, okay.
For my second powerhouse couple over here, Jake Paul and Tana Montague.
Manajo? Someone needs to manage Joe ass for sure.
And I'm gonna build a little chapel for him too.
What?
Because yeah, they got married in Las Vegas. Talk of the town.
Hey, that little steeple there isn't edible. You're breaking the rules.
I make the goddamn rules.
No, the rules are everything has to be edible, damn it.
I'll eat it.
You'll eat it? Okay. And why does she have to have such
magnificent
such large cleavage?
Giant, because did you see the pictures?
Did they even get married? I'm confused.
I'm not even 100% positive.
Now, of course, Christine's gonna be a blue sock because that's her favorite color. It's like a stocking. And it's not just any stocking, it's a roots stocking, of course, right? And then I'm gonna barely put some little nails and toenails on her because her channel's barely about nails anymore anyway. Oh, and you don't even know about these little magic tools here. Edible markers.
What are those?
Edible markers. Yes.
Why are you hiding those from me?
Look at how cool this banana's turning out. This would have looked like shit if I actually had to use that icing stuff that you're doing.
Oh man, that sucks. This icing does suck. The precision of yours. I mean, you got Christine's hair down to the science.
It doesn't suck, that's for sure.
Oh.
You know what I'm really super proud of is I did use the actual icing to make this maple leaf.
Wow.
Yeah. And look at this marble artistry.
That, I don't even know how you did that.
You gotta like tip it and move it around and
That's
stuff.
some Harry Potter magic icing.
It is some magic. I think banana though is by far my favorite.
Banana Ben.
Banana Ben. Man!
What?
Man! And Sophia's pretty easy actually. She just wears all black all the time.
True.
So.
Well, and that kind of goes into my little David Dobrik. The little gingerbread doughboy, Dobrik.
Uh-huh.
He carries like a little camera around with him. He wears this little black hat.
He's kind of looking like Cartman though.
Like,
where's his hair? He always has like lots of hair.
Yeah,
you can use one of my markers. They have the brown one.
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh, Christ.
That would probably be a lot easier.
Thank God. Well, here they are in all of their gingerbread glory. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I think we both did a pretty good job on the cookies, and yours might be better. I don't know. What are you doing? Wow, you're jiggling, you're dancing.
This is the winners.
Jingling.
The winners dance.
Wow. Watch out. I don't know. I think it's up to them. They're... Jesus.
Oh. Okay.
Let us know down in the comments below whose gingerbread cookies you like the best. Whose artistic ability really came out. That's how they do it.
Banana.
I mean...
Banana. I think I win most effort.
Coolest cookies.
Banana.
Go vote.
Well, I think that just about does it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to go down to the description and click on that little linky poo to download Best Fiend Stars.
Wow, a linky poo.
A little linky poo.
We'll see you around here next time.
Bye-bye.